This is the one only Doomsday 968, and today I'll be showing you my Yu-Gi-Oh! 5 Dragons collection. Yeah. So, these are the cards I've got from various trades online, and I'd like to thank all the people who have assisted me in getting my 5 Dragons collection. The first I'd like to do is Red Dragon Archfiend. I got it from Red Dragon Pantry. Thanks to her. Go subscribe to her and make sure you have good deals for her. Now the next one who contributed to the bulk of my 5 Dragons collection is none other than Stardust Dragon 74, You Rock. So the Red Dragon Archfiend Assault Mode, Ultimate Rare, Stardust Dragon, Assault Mode, and Majestic Star Dragon. Together with these 3 cards, Stardust Dragon Super Rare, Black Rose Dragon Secret Rare, and Ancient Fairy Dragon Ultra Rare. So thanks Stardust Dragon 74 for trading with me those cards, really appreciate it. So you should guys who watch this, you should go and trade with him too. He rocks. Yeah. The last one is Black Wing Dragon, which I just got from buying Collector's Tin. So thank Doomsday 968 for that. Just go. If you want to trade anything with me, you can go check my trade binder. It's somewhere on my channel. PM me offers. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Thanks to all those who have helped me contribute, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate.